you cannot deny that whoever named some natural hairstyles was a foodie.
Come to think of it, that's true.
Right.
Because why would this be called a bun and this a puff?
By the way, how do you like your pineapples? Juiced or eaten whole?
Definitely juiced.
Well, I love mine as a hairstyle.
Say what now?
I had my hair twisted into some chunky twists from last night using my coil activator and my leave-in conditioner. For a perfect twist out, it is important for you to note when twisting not to borrow hair from your individual legs. So by that I mean when you want to start twisting, you should twist from the roots to the tips without borrowing hair. It's very important for a perfect twist out.
Remember that.
I'm just going to take this down and we get right into the style. See, you just pick the root and you drag all the way down, and that is coming out easily because I did not borrow any hair from any leg. That's way. The other important thing to note is you twist your hair in the direction you want it to go. Like I twisted this forward because I want my high puff coming this way. If you understand what I mean. If you want a side puff, you twist in this direction, right? So I'm just going to put this into a puff the regular way, and then I decide on whether to further fluff this twist or just leave it. So these are the other ways I've rocked this same style before. To put this into a puff, I will slightly spritz the back of my head with this and apply a little bit of this gel. I don't want to drench the hair with gel, so depending on how sleek you want the style, I'm just going to slightly spray the back of my hair, like so, and apply just a tiny bit of this like that in between my palm, and I'll just, and then with a brush I'll just brush it to the direction I want it to go. In addition, I'll use this brush and with my sling, so you can use anything. This is just a baby wool that I twisted into is it a rope? So I would start from the front this is what my back looks like. Let me turn around. The last thing is to now, depending on how you want it, and with my afro comb, I'll just lift the base. You don't want to ruin your curls, so I'll just lift the base like so. Just the base. To give me the pineapple effect. And then I'll just, like, see what I'm doing? I'll just pull the legs, for lack of what to call it, legs, like that, to any direction I want, and All done. Yes. Now we have our pineapple in medium size. So let me show you how I've rocked it in small, medium, and large. So the same method, but the difference is how you cut your twists. So for the small, you make your twist smaller, the medium just like the size I have it on, and for the large a little bit chunkier. That's about it. Let me know in the comment box below if you would like to rock this.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful.
And we also hope to see you on our next. Why haven't you subscribed?
Wow, you haven't liked either.
What?
Look.
Thank you.